Okay, let's practice this together. Okay, try on your own. Pause the video and see how it goes, and then check with me. All right. So this one, it asks you to draw constitutional isomer of a compound with the molecular formula of C4H10 and O, and it says there are 7 isomers. So well, there's an oxygen. So the possibility you're going to see it should be either an alcohol or an ether. Look something like that. Okay, so you have to account for both functional groups. All right, I'm going to start with the alcohol. Okay, so try to draw this isomer in a system, right? In a systematic way. Otherwise, you're going to get confused. I'm going to start with 4 carbon chain. Okay, so this is what I mean by it. So 4 carbon chain. And I'm going to add oxygen in one of this carbon. We have only 1 oxygen, right? I'm going to start with adding oxygen on the right side. Look like that. That's 1 compound, all right? Now, you can add, oh, that's 1 isomer. Now, switch oxygen on this from the right now to this carbon on the left side, 1 carbon to the left. You can get another one, all right? 1 to the left, you get another one, and 1 to the left on the left end. So you get that one. Now, if you look at this compound, can you see that these 2 repeat the first 2? All right, so this guy repeat. You can flip it 180 degrees. It's exactly the same. Okay, so this carbon and this carbon are the same thing, same carbon. All right, and this carbon, that carbon, these 2 also are the same carbon. And that's the reason why oxygen at the end carbon, same thing with the oxygen at the end there. So you have to realize that that's repeat. Okay. All right. So we got 2 isomers from 4 carbon chain. Now we're gonna try 3 carbon chain. Look like that. All right. So I can add oxygen to this carbon here. I can try that carbon and that carbon. Can you see that these 2 actually repeat? All right, so molecule can rotate, right? They can spin around. All these 3 carbon actually are the same carbon. These 3 carbon here, okay? So this, which means that you're gonna get 1 isomer here. And the other carbon that does not repeat, which is carbon in the middle, right there, that's another isomer. All right, that's a 3 carbon chain. Now let's try 2 carbon chain. That's a carbon chain, and then branch out, all right? And that's 2 carbon chain, branch out. Can you see that this guy actually, this is 4 carbon chain. This is 4 carbon chain, repeat at the top one right there. Yeah, we can't do 2 carbon chain. You just can't. All right, so this is 4 carbon chain. This is 4 carbons, you know? So no. All right, so we're done with the alcohol. Now we're gonna go to the ether, starting with 4 carbon chain ether. So which means that oxygen will be in the middle of the molecule. So I'm going to insert oxygen in there. All right, so I can get that molecule. I can insert oxygen in the middle, get another one. Don't do on the left side, otherwise it's going to be the same with on the right side. Okay, so that's a 4 carbon chain. All right, now go to 3 carbon chain. Look like that. Insert oxygen somewhere in those bonds, in any of those bonds. Okay, so you get only 1 of them. All right, all these bonds are the same thing. Okay, cannot do 2 carbon chain. You can try. Usually, you can do it. It's a 4 carbon. Go back to the 4 carbon chain. Okay. Oh, right there. So, how many isomers do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 total. All right. So we have 4 alcohols, 3 ethers. All right. Good job, guys. So let's go to the next video.